Top three things in Keith's notebook, they are as follows. Number one, China. Shanghai composite down for the fourth consecutive day, down about 1.5% or 1.4%, now down negative 5.6% on the year-to-date. Pretty much every Asian index was down overnight. Indonesia led the losers, down a little bit more than China, about 1.5%. Japan down about another percent or so to now negative. This is the Nikkei now negative 11.7% on the year-to-date, so definitely a tough equity day for Asia. Second thing in Keith's notebook, oil. WTI starting the week off well bit, up about 0.9% to 101.46, and resistance in our model is 105 to 106, so definitely a lot of upside to resistance. We're sticking with the sort of long inflation trade via commodities, gold, oil, food, and tips. It's been working here to date, and we think it's going to continue to work. Third thing in Keith's notebook, once again, sort of a consistent theme for us this year, but is the U.S. consumer slowing. We're going to get U.S. GDP growth later this week, on Wednesday actually, and our expectation is for it to be reported with a one handle. So that's a pretty meaningful deceleration from last quarter. But no worries. Everybody thinks it's just the weather, and that's what's impacting GDP in the first quarter. We obviously will take the other side of that. And what you're seeing this morning is some consensus hopes getting up for acceleration into Q3. I think PIMCO's the big firm out calling for 2 to 3% acceleration into Q3, which is actually a really tough GDP comp. So once again, we don't see that happening, particularly with inflation, as we've been outlining, accelerate on a bunch of different levels.